Prezidente Repu blika Kondekora Direto Nasional ADB Stefania Dina hokolar Orden Timor-Leste.
Prezidente Repu blika Jorta se estane e Palácio Nobre Lahane, Kondekora ho grau kolar Orden Timor-Leste ba Diretora Nasional Banco de Desenvolvimento Asiático e Timor-Leste, Stefania Dina, nebe mandato se remate a fulan junho ne. Estado Timor-Leste foi condecoração ho grau Orden nebe asliu, tamahalau ona serviço excepcional no mérito ba nação ne, no mos no dar reconhecimento bania serviço excepcional no parceria de desenvolvimento nebe iha impacto bot durante nia missão e Timor-Leste. Presidente República Jorta elogia a diretora Stefania Dina nebe nia mandato e Timor-Leste la osdet marca ho excelência profissional, mai bemos ho respeito klean ba povo Timor-Leste nia aspiração no futuro povo nian.
Stefania Dina Kondekora Direto Orden Bank, being one bank, all protocol observed. It is a privilege to bestow the Kola Timor-Leste upon you, Stefania Dina, Kondekora Direto ADB, whose tenure in Timor-Leste has been marked not only by professional excellence, but also by a deep respect for different people, aspirations, and future. Today we gather to recognize and bid farewell to a partnership purpose, a commitment of conscience and a record of service that has quietly, steadily, and meaningfully touched the lives of our people. Your leadership has gone far beyond the fulfillment of institutional mandates. It has helped empower a nation on its development journey. In the life of a young nation such as ours, development is not an abstract concept. It is a road that connects a farmer to a market. It is clean water flowing into a village. It is a child learning in a classroom with dignity. It is a young person acquiring skills and employment opportunities. It is resilience in the face of climate uncertainty and hope in the face of global challenges. You understood this. Under your leadership, the Asian Development Bank has worked closely with our ministries, local authorities, civil society, and the private sector to support programs that truly matter to our people.
Diretora Nacional ADB e Timor-Leste Stefania Dina hatou ni agradecimento ba se festado no povo timoruan hotu, nebe sempre foi apoio ba nia serviço durante nia missão e Timor-Leste. Tuirnia halau missão e Timor-Leste hanesan privilégio extraordinário ida, tamanudar parceria ida nebe suporta Timor-Leste nia aspiração sira ba desenvolvimento inclusivo no sustentável.
I want to begin with a heartfelt note of appreciation to His Excellency President Repu, who is graciously hosting this award ceremony and farewell cocktail. Mr. President, your leadership, vision, and unwavering commitment to Timor-Leste future have been a source of inspiration. I'm deeply honored to receive this award today, and I'm also honored by your generosity in hosting us today in this beautiful setting. Tonight is a moment of gratitude and reflection. Serving as ADB's country director in Timor-Leste has been an extraordinary privilege. While at times it felt a little bit like a roller coaster, it was a deeply rewarding journey. Together, we have worked to strengthen institutions, deliver projects, and build partnerships that support Timor-Leste's aspirations for inclusive and sustainable development. One of the most inspiring aspects of my role here has been seeing Timor-Leste join ASEAN. ADB has been proud to support this journey, helping Timor-Leste prepare for the responsibility and opportunities that ASEAN membership is bringing. Our collective achievements, from infrastructure projects that connect communities, to investments in water, energy, social protection, education, and agriculture, to reforms that strengthen governance, are all part of building a stronger foundation for Timor-Leste's future within ASEAN and beyond.
Durante mandato Stefania Dina nian Timor-Leste supervisiona progreso significativo o dihametin agenda de desenvolvimento nação nian, liu intensifica apoio ba Timor-Leste ni adesão ba ASEAN, no avança projeto infraestrutura bot sira, expansão aeroporto internacional Comoro Dili, reabilitação estrada sira, no investimento e energia solar e manatutu. Além de defende iniciativa sira e fornecimento B, formação profissional, proteção social, saúde no desenvolvimento setor privado. Diretora Nasional ADB Timor-Leste se conclui ni missão oficial e lorong balu fulan junho tinang no se asumi falik narfong no dar diretora ADB nian ba agricultura, aihan natureza no desenvolvimento rural ba sudeste asiático no Pacífico, ne benia base e Manila, Filipina. Agustin da Costa, Jacinto Marques, GMN.